Welcome to this tutorial about the Love Rain cloud card. Making this card will take about 15 minutes. Take a sheet of white paper. Draw a cloud shape with a pencil. Keep in mind your card's size, so you can be sure it fits. It might take multiple drawings till you're satisfied. For me, it was helpful to first draw an oval shape. Cut out the cloud shape. Put it on a sheet of light purple paper and trace it. Then, cut out the traced cloud shape. Take 2 or 3 sheets of different colored paper. I chose light pink, bright pink and dark purple because these colors look good together. Use a small sized heart punch to punch 3 or 4 hearts from each sheet of colored paper. Try to mix the different colors, so you have a great variety. Put foam pads on the back side of the cloud shape and attach it to the card front. Use glue to attach the small heart shapes to the card front, below the cloud shape. Your card is ready now. Inside the card you can write down a love quote about raindrops. Actually, this card is inspired by the quote, "If a raindrop would mean I love you, it would rain forever." Thank you for watching this tutorial. Check out my other video tutorials and my blog for more card making inspiration.